And when I arrive at my destination, I am gonna kill Bill.
How cool was that? We made these makeup transition videos in minutes, not hours, minutes. And the best part? Brands are literally paying creators for this kind of content. Real game changer. There are quite a few ways you can do this, and trust me, I've tried many, many ways, and honestly, this is the easiest way and also creates the best looking videos. You will not see this tutorial anywhere else. Stick around because I'm also going to share exactly how you can turn this skill into actual revenue streams, including the strategies we teach inside Digital Muse Academy that's helping creators land their first paid deal in as little as 2 weeks. Okay, let's get into it, Buttercup.
For us to create our makeup transition video, we'll be needing 4 things. 1. Our reference video. 2. An image of our model. Plain-faced, this is for the first part of the transition. 3. An image of our model in whatever makeup we are trying to create. And lastly, 4. Good old CapCut for editing. Okay, so step 1. We need to source our reference video. This is the video you're trying to replicate. I love looking on TikTok or Instagram for this. You can of course take any video from anywhere you like, or another cool way is to act out the transformation yourself. You don't have to do the makeup or anything. The avatar just needs your movements for the transition, especially for the first half. For me, I typically download my desired video on TikTok, then send that over to my laptop, and boom, TikTok just has such a wide range of great videos to search for, so that works for me. Once you've found your desired video, we can then move on to step 2, creating our desired image. Now we're getting into the good stuff. To do this transition, you need a website called OpenArt. I have tried many different platforms, and this is one of my faves. I use it for so many image and video creations. It's unreal. It's what I call a great all-rounder. You can do so much on it. I've left a link in the description for you if you're interested, and you can get a discounted price when you use the link. I'll show you how to create the image with a random avatar and one with an avatar you already own. So, open up OpenArt, and on the main page you click Image and then Create Image. Now if you're new to OpenArt, you probably have no idea what all this means, and it can seem daunting. Just so we can focus on the main reason for this video, simply pop any questions you may have in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Okay, back to creating our image. If you're creating a new persona/avatar, you want to either write up a prompt for exactly what you're imagining, or you can steal my own prompt. I'll leave it in the description below. You can of course tweak it as you like and make your perfect image. So, paste the prompt right here and make sure to pick a model. Right now, I'm really loving GPT Image 1.5, but you can use any of the models and choose your fave rendition. Also obsessed with Flux. Point 2, they just look so crisp and editorial. But for the makeup videos, and for a much more human realistic feel, I'd go with GPT or Seedream. Next, scroll down to Output Setting and choose Vertical, usually 9:16. This is the layout you need for videos on mobile phones. Bear in mind, GPT 4.5 still does not support the 9:16 aspect ratio that is used on mobiles. So when turning this into a video, your sides will get cropped a bit. Not too much of a biggie, but be wary of this. If you want to avoid that, then just use a different model. Once that is done, go ahead and click Create down here. You'll get 2 versions. Tweak anything in the prompt you're unhappy with, and once that's done, we can move on to creating the makeup image. If you're not using a random avatar image and have a specific image or person you want to use, all you have to do is add the image of the person here in this Omni reference box, and it will recreate your prompt but with the desired person. You can choose multiple models to test out which image you like the best, and readjust your prompt if necessary. Play around, have fun, and just make sure you're completely happy with it, because we'll be using that foundation image to create your transformed image. Now for your transformed image, you'll need a new prompt. This prompt details the transformed look, so you'd want to describe exactly what her makeup looks like. Once you've selected which image, simply drag it over here to the Omni reference box and type in the prompt. We have so many ready-made prompts in the Academy, and there's lessons in there that actually teaches you how to write your own, so I'd definitely check us out if you want to start creating next level stuff. So for this video, I want her to have a vibrant but cute pink makeup. I have mine already saved, so I'll just copy and paste that in. I've left all the prompts used in this video in the description, don't worry. Also, don't forget to change the model to the matching model of the first image. So if you use Nano Banana for her bare face look, then make sure to use Nano Banana for the transformation image. Once that's done, scroll down, change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and click Create. Once again, make sure you're pleased with her final look because this is what we see when the transformation appears. I love this look. So cute. As you can see, her makeup is different and her outfit is different. Now we need to create what I call the transition videos. This is what you want the model to act out right after the transition. A lot of makeup videos with transitions always have fast cuts and editing styles, so they never look great with AI avatar models. They tend to glitch. So the method we teach for this is simply creating your own videos. You can either copy the original, so you prompt your avatar to make the same moves, or completely do your own thing. Doing your own thing makes the video unique, rather than a copy and paste, so that's what I tend to go for. So to do this, we are going to pick the after image we like, and click here and choose Use Image, then click Image to Video. Once we're in there, your preferred image would be in the box, and you can see the prompts box below. You can write anything in here, doesn't have to be wordy, perfect, or anything. You can say, looking sexy, blowing a kiss, she looks sultry and feminine, air and wind blowing heavily in her hair. Have fun prompting your image. Once again, choose the model you want to work with, 9:16 vertical and click Create. Check the videos and make sure you're happy. I tend to have 3 to 5 different ones to work with. You have to think of this like a real life scenario. In reality, you would film the makeup, then the transition, then all the extras where you'd edit on CapCut. We are doing the exact same thing, except we're using our creativity and spending less time. Once that's done and you're happy, we need to create the actual transition shot, the viral shot. So go to the left bar on your screen, click Video, and then click the Motion Sync. This brings you to this page. Now, Motion Sync basically allows you to copy the movement of another video. Bear in mind, this is strictly motion, so things like hair, makeup, outfit will not be replicated. That's why we created all that beforehand. If I'm completely honest, mastering this takes practice as things don't always come out like expected. My advice for you when using Motion Sync is to choose videos with minimal movements or simple movements. The crazier and faster your reference video, the less accurate this would be. Okay, now we need to upload our reference video down here, under Add Motion Reference. Whilst that is uploading, also upload your image here under Select Your Character. As you can see, there's a Select Image and Character button. For this video, we'll be using the Select Image choice. Once you select that, 2 options should pop up. Upload, which is for images that we have saved on our laptops already, and History, which is for images we've created on OpenArt. Obviously, we'll be going with History. A box will pop up with all your recent images. This is where we use our secret trick. We'll be creating 2 videos. One with our plain face model doing the transition, and another with our glammed up model doing the same transition, just like a real life influencer video. This will come in handy so much later when editing with CapCut. So select your preferred transition image, the same image you used to create the videos earlier, and press Confirm. Use the exact setting as shown here. There's a prompt box below here which is optional. You could fill it out and describe exactly what you want the model to do as related to the reference video. This takes practice, but it's worth it. Once everything is loaded, go ahead and click Create. This takes a while, so whilst it's loading, go ahead and repeat the same step for your bare-faced model look. Once both videos are loaded and you're happy with it, you're ready to put your masterpiece together. Download to your system both transition videos and all the after videos from before that you liked. Now for the final step, editing. You should have about 5 to 7 videos right now, the main 2 being the transition videos both barefaced and in makeup. I'm using CapCut, but you can use any editing software you're comfortable with. I'm going to do this on my phone rather than the desktop version, as most people would probably use that more. So firstly, I'll airdrop all my videos and make sure I'm ready to start. Now in CapCut, you want to upload your takes in the order of the transition and simply just edit the video like you would do with any other makeup transition video. I always add the transition bit as an overlay, which means it will be seamless. You should upload the audio from the original video as guidance. I simply do this by going down here, clicking audio, then extract. You'll see your videos and then just click the original reference video and CapCut will pull out the audio. This way your editing and transition will match 100%. After a few niggles and adjustments, you're done. Depending on the video you chose, you may have more editing to do after the transition, but mine is really short, so I just stuck with one video. That's it, you're all done. Now, if you're in it for fun, you're all good. But if you're trying to make a new career, then listen up. Beauty brands are paying £150 to £300 per UGC videos like these. I, and so many DMA students have done this for multiple brands. And if you post these consistently on your own AI influencer page, you can earn through platform monetization, affiliate links, and brand sponsorships. Creating good content is one thing, but you need to know how to sell it, how to pitch yourself, how to build a portfolio that converts. That's what we teach inside the Academy. £14 a month, 7-day free trial, all the scripts, templates, and strategies you need. Link is in the description. Trust me, if you're serious about making money with AI avatars, this is where you need to be. Drop a comment and let me know. Are you going to try this tutorial? What kind of transformation are you going to create? I truly read every single comment and I love seeing what you guys make. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more avatar monetization content, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go create something incredible and make some money while you're at it.